Ayun guys, good morning. Tapon tao dito, ako lang. So dapat pupunta kami ng Caloocan. So hindi na tuloy, isa lang. Ako lang yung tao dito. So ngayon kakabi natin yung ginawa natin kagabi.
I gave you 10 a week ago. You told me that you got me when your check came home. I've been waiting patiently cause you my homie, bro. But times is getting hard, so I'ma need to see that cheddar though. You ain't been picking up, you finding escapes. I might have to white you out just like you Colgate. You've been ducking at the crib thinking that you safe, but little do you know I'm posted right up in your driveway. I'ma beat you up, I'ma tear you down. I'ma turn your little smile into a big old frown. Cause evidently you don't wanna send a message now. And you holding to my money like you Oscar proud. I'ma find you, and I'ma get you. I'ma stick into your head just like I'm Cantu. It's a couple things in life I'll make amends to, but owing me some money, hell no, this a no can do. 17. Yeah. Day 10. At this point, I'ma have to just cave your face in. Damn, you think I forgot about all them payments? Boy, I'm on your ass with my mask on just like I'm Jason. I know that you bounded to get complacent. Popped out the smoker, asked Tay-Tay about how her day went. Just know I've been plotting and I've been waiting. Might hit you with the orange Bronco just like I'm Peyton. You need to get my money, come on. This ain't no sweet life, I'ma need to get my bread and no song. You want IG and your Da Vinci and your shirts be long. But in real life, you broke it in a Paul George fibula bone. I know you gon' pay me when the time's right, but the time is now, I'm finna knock out your lights. Got you thinking shoulda never tweaked on me twice, and had you curving up that hill just like a turnpike. Give me that money. Give me that money. Give me that money. Give me that. Give me that money. Give me that. Give me that.
So ayun, nakabit ko na. Nilagyan ko na rin ng ano para bukas hindi na ako malito. Lagay na lang ako ng lagay bukas. So ayan, abangan ito. Bali, meron na ako nito. Ang problema ko, masyadong malaki. So, papalitan lang ko lang ng maliit. So, ayun. Bukas na lang.
24 hours late.
Ito yun. So, ikakabit ko na lang. Nilagyan ko na rin para hindi ako malito. Nakakalito rin kasi. So, meron na ako nito. Tulad yung sinabi ko gabi, meron na ako nito. Kaso malalaki. So, kailangan ko maliit para hindi masyadong yung space ng headlight ko. So, palitan natin. So, buksan ko lang muna yung headlight. Tapos kakabit ko lang. So, shoutout nga pala kay Payat sa kay Toto. Tanghali na, pumasok na kayo. Alright, yun lang. Sige, buksan muna natin yan. Alright. So, ito nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. May relay na nga. Ito, malaki. Sobrang laki naman niya kasi. Sobrang sa space. So, ito yan nasira na. Kasi nga gawa nito. So, palitan natin ng maliit. So, ayun. Nakalasin ko muna natin. At so, ayun. Natanggal ko na. Ito na siya. Diba? Ang laki niya talaga, no? So, ayun. Naikabit ko na rin siya. So, tingnan yun din. Ang pagkakaiba ng dalawa. Excuse me. Diba? Sobrang laki ng diferensya ng dalawa. Sa tatlong relay, tatlong relay nito. So, kaya mas mainam na yung maliit na lang. So, naikabit ko na din siya. So, naikabit ko na rin. Lagyan ko lang ng tape tapos pailawin natin. Try natin. Alright, wait lang. ayan guys, nalagay na natin. Subukan natin. Yung maliwanag. Alright. Buksan natin. Double contact. Tap. Ayan guys. Gumagana. Signal light. Kabila. So, ganun din sa likod. Signal light. Tingnan natin sa likod. Alright. Ito yung kabila. So, ayun. Gumagana lahat. Success. So, ito yung dati. Tapos na natin. So, tabi na lang natin to. Magagamit pa to sa kusina, kahit saan. Kung ano yung paggagamitan natin, pwede pa yan. Peace out.